Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I've been fetching some things in because I don't want them to die. These are two Pelargoniums and a begonia. This was a cutting that I took, might have been this time last year. Name tag in there properly. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to pop these on once I've taken them out of here and prepare my begonia to go into storage for a few weeks. I'll be starting these off probably end of December, beginning of January. The tubers, I've got it leaned up against here. That's one thing you always find. I always like to lean it up against something, otherwise they are a pain to get. So what I'll be doing with these, I'm going to take all this out in one go, and then I'm going to start dividing and splitting it. So just bear with me. What I'm just going to do is just give these a snip. Just get snip it out of the way. I can use that later on. But these here, just going to snip that off. I have to put this in just to support it, because as you can see, really big plant. So hopefully this will come out in one go. Fingers crossed. Should be able to just get this out of the way. Be able to hang from the bottom hopefully. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. Yeah, getting there now. Come on, baby. There. Yes. Good. Nearly all the way there. Oh, that's right. Gotcha. Once I get it out of here, I can start. I'll give this a good clean for. Let's put it away this for next year. So yeah, that's on one side. And now, get this carry back. This is all I use this for liners. The black ones are better, but these are the only ones I had. These have been in 2 years, these, without any problems. Right, so now that's out, I can start dividing these. As you can see with this one, these have been laid on the garden, so there's a lot of damaged leaves in the middle. Look at that. That's totally dead, that bit. I'll go on one side. I shall thin this out a little bit more. Put that one on. I just want to get to this begonia next. Just put this out of the way. So yeah, what you asked me, what to do with the begonias this time of year. This was a cutting that was taken about a year ago, and nice bit of tuber there. Yep. And this one, you do not want to take too much soil off, because if you start damaging the tuber itself, the skin, that's when infection is going to get in, like there. See that? No, you don't want to be taking it back that far really. A little bit too much. I didn't know there was actually two tubers in here, so must have been two cuttings. That's one, that's two. Any more? Yep, a little tuber there as well. So what we do with these, once they're out like that, all you need to do then is put them in some dry compost, somewhere dark above freezing, and shake them a couple of times a week, just to make sure there's nothing in there that's going to damage them. No slugs, no snails. There's going to be no fungus starting or anything like that. All this soil, what I'll do at the moment is keep it all together. I could even put a little bit of soil in there, stick it in a bag, and that would be fine. A bit of dry compost. But yeah, all I'll do with this, break it up. Break it. There's another one. It's really surprised me that. Must have put quite a few cuttings in there. Yeah, as you can see, cuttings, and you end up with nice tubers. I've got 1, 2, I've got 4 there, which is great. So there's no more. Another one. Wow, that was really shocking. That how many? I cannot believe how many's been in there. There's no more. That seems to be it. So 5 in there. So what I'm going to be doing now is these plants I got from Firebricks nurseries, and these have been out of this world. These, as you can see, this one's just been left. It's gone really leggy. But what I'm going to do with this, I've got a petunia here, which looks like in its last legs. I'll put that in the pot, feed it and give it some water. It might come back, you never know, but it's a lovely colour that, so nothing else to do. But yeah, these are all broken off, so these can be used for cuttings. Got some nice strong shoots, those. But yeah, these were from Firebricks nurseries, and they came in, I think they came in some, rooted in some compost, and they were wrapped in some used newspaper. Really organic way of doing it. So what I'm doing with this one now, I'm going to get it in a pot, because I want it to recover after being left out and neglected. As you can see how dry it is, but these will take some dryness. It's not the end of the world with these. They will recover mostly. So what I use there is just get some compost over there. You can see that. Some compost here. It's a mixture of peat-free, this, it's a peat-free and organic compost as well. So just in there, these I might have to put them in actually bigger pots. I wasn't expecting them to be. No, that'll go in there. I will give this, once it's in there, I will give this a cut back. I'll give it a real good haircut as well. Really good cut back here. Just above a leaf note. So these will be used for cuttings, these. Good cutting material. The name on there. Because otherwise it's just too heavy. This one about just above a leaf note, which is just there. Yeah, really good cutting material here. I love getting free plants. Well, they're not free, you have to put some time and effort in, but all in all, just a little bit of time. This one right back to there. These will be trimmed up again, these, after a few weeks. Let's go. That's rotted, that's what you don't want. Like I said, this is on it, a quick trim up. It's not what they're going to actually look like in the end. This is just to stop some of the weight pulling it over, basically. One there, that one. That should just about do it, that. That's dead. So it's dead away there. I'll try and get it scented in the pot. Always looks a lot nicer when it's scented. Yeah, that's that done there. So, if you can just see that. Just get it scented like so. And then some compost. And what I will do with this then, I shall, once it'll be compost, give it a tap down. Once I've done that with it, I shall take it over here. I don't know if you can just see this. Take it over here, leave it in there to soak, which is great. Get it nice and wet. I'll trim it up a little bit nicer a bit later on, and then I should give it a good feed, and then it will go under here. And these run for 18 hours a day, these lights, so it will be like summertime for it. It will come back really well, and then I can take some more cuttings, probably January, end of January, beginning of February. So yeah, that's basically how to keep them safe my half moon baskets, how to save petunias, how to save pelargoniums, and how to save and store your begonia tubers. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.